I'm super excited because today's my birthday and I want to give you a gift of a lifetime. Hi guys, my name is Acquania Escarne. I'm the creator and founder of The Purpose of Money, a platform that teaches women how to build generational wealth $1 at a time. I'm celebrating 38 years of life, but I want to give you an awesome gift. So I'm launching a birthday bundle. If you get this bundle, you're going to get over $600 worth of valuable information for the low cost of $38. In my bundle, you're going to get my never before released spending plan that teaches you how to budget for your entire year and track all your expenses. You'll get access to my budget webinar that teaches you how to budget like a boss. You'll also get access to my SMART Goals webinar that teaches you how to set achievable goals. And I'll give you the template so you can start writing yours too. If you're ready to take your finances to the next level, check out the birthday bundle. You're getting over $600 worth of good stuff for the low cost of $38.